So I'm Derek, and this is my wife Elle, and this is our new kitchen. So HomeDesign Kitchen did a fantastic job with everything. We're very happy with how everything turned out. They did a lot of the decisions themselves, which really helped us. So we just had to like select the backsplash and the faucet, and they did everything else. They did it way faster than expected. Took like 3 weeks compared to the original 6 to 8 that was estimated. And they also did it way cheaper than all the other contractors that we talked to. So we were extremely happy with everything, and we love our new kitchen.
They were very professional and helpful, and they answered all of our questions, and the office was very responsive. So even as we were starting this remodel and planning even before, they were always in constant contact with us and answering all our questions and didn't make us feel annoying. And so that was really nice. We're super glad we found HomeDesign.